How to add device in Amazon Prime Video account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to add device in Amazon Prime Video account. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can follow up this method and you should be easily able to add device in your Prime Video account. So for that, you can go to primevideo.com and open up your account. And once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface. So what you can do is simply head over to profile at the top and click on it and you'll be finding this menu. So under here, look for the option called accounts and settings. Once you're here on this section, you can just go ahead and enter up your credentials and tap on sign in, and then you will be taken to the space. So under account details, what you can do is look for the option called your devices, which is right here. So you can just go ahead and click on it, and once clicked, you'll be finding this sections of settings. So in order to register another device, you can find this very option that says register another device. Go ahead and click on this one right here. And after that, you need to enter up the code shown on your TV or your device to register it with your Prime account. So you can go ahead and open up the device in which you want to add the Amazon account to, the Prime Video account to. After that, just go ahead and enter up the registration code. Click on register device and your device should be registered by agreeing to the terms and conditions. So that is how you add a device in Amazon Prime Video account following this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.